So this past weekend, it wasn't very warm. In fact, we had some cool 70s, but friends of mine said they were getting sunburns. Looking at the UV index this last week, it was right at 7. Even though we had 70s in the temperature readers, a nice breeze, that sunshine actually was sending off more total solar irradiance than it typically does, at least according to some solar cycles that we'll get into, just exactly how sunspots increasing on the sun send us even more ultraviolet radiation. So this is that shining into my vehicle. The other day, 1:30 p.m., 110 degrees on my dashboard. So I stepped out every hour, checked it for a few hours there, 167 just an hour later as it was taking in that direct sunlight. Now, an hour after that, as the sun beams were not directly hitting the windshield anymore because the sun had gone behind the car at that point, it went down in 2 degrees, 165. So we have then the other reading here on my steering wheel from 84 degrees at 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock showing 123. So things heated up very fast, and you can expect to get more sunburns, feel hotter in the sun, even if the air temperature is cooler when we have more sunspots. So that is a magnetogram, it's called. It shows you different colors for different magnetic orientations. Sometimes this looks kind of blank. You don't see the big spots. What those spots are sunspots that change on cycles. These are our solar cycles with how many sunspots we have, comparing it to total solar irradiance. So that solar irradiance is used with other factors in figuring out how that UV index is going to be registered. That total solar irradiance increasing from solar flares from the sun actually does increase that ultraviolet radiation that then heats our skin and can give us those sunburns.